Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be actually like a really exciting video. BOXYCHARM is coming out with limited edition holiday boxes, like big boxes. There's 3 variations and these don't have anything to do with the subscription. So whether you have a subscription, whether you don't, you can still get this box. It's just in addition to everything else. It's just like you're purchasing a box, one-time deal. So what I'm going to be doing today is unboxing the different variations that you guys can get. Now, obviously, if you don't want to know, don't watch. They're not going to be exactly what I'm showing you because I just have a big box full of products. I don't know which ones get grouped together. Do you get what I'm saying? There's also an option on the website to email them and view the box. So if you want to, which you probably do because they are quite expensive. So here is my gigantic box. Before I start looking at products, I'm going to quickly go to the website. So there's 3 different holiday boxes you could get. One of them is $99. It's called the Beauty Aficionado box, and it comes with 18 beauty products, and it gives you examples, Tarte, Cover FX, It Cosmetics. There's another box for $79 called the Makeup Junkie. This comes with 8 beauty products like Pure, Crown, Tarte. And then there's another box that's called Light But Right Glam, and that's $59, and it includes 7 products like Kat Von D, Pretty Vulgar, and It Cosmetics. So, like I said, I've got a big box here that BOXYCHARM sent over to me so that I can kind of show you guys what you're looking at. Now, when they sent this to me, it was divided up in 3 different sections, but like there was 4 products in 2 of the sections, and that says like 7, 18, and 8 or something, so it didn't make any sense to me. I figured it'd be better to show it to you random anyways so that you don't know exactly what you'll be getting. You feel me? And by the way, obviously the value of what you're getting outweighs the value of what you're paying. That's the whole point. So one of the first products is a Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette. I'm not going to swatch this because I already have it. I don't know if I gave this to a friend already actually, but this is a really nice kind of holographic twinkly highlighter palette. Now, I'm not even 100% sure, you guys. Honestly, the things that I'm about to show you, I'm assuming there's still probably some variation to it. I doubt that every single thing in here is going to be the exact product that they're sending. I believe that you're just paying for a really cool big box of products. I don't think it's going to be exactly what I'm showing you, which I think is a good thing. It'll be more of a surprise, but I'm giving you examples. And you could, for $100, you get a box with 18 products in it. That's insane. Like, and each product is usually worth at least $20. So you're definitely getting your value's worth. Like, when I saw this huge box show up, like, you guys will get a huge box. It's just exciting. And there's no commitment or anything. You're just buying it. So here we have the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. This is an example of what you could get. I mean, just nice quality lash box. We've got an Aesthetica P12. Looks like a highlighter brush. If I can get it open. Let's see. Ooh, okay, I thought it was a highlighter brush, but well, I mean, I would probably still use this for a highlighter, but maybe you could use it for blush as well. It's really soft. Let's see, there's a Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. This sounds like something I'm gonna love. Let's see. Okay, that is absolutely stunning. You have to let me know if you want an eyeshadow tutorial on that. That's one of the most unique nude palettes I've ever seen, to be completely honest with you. It's like, wow, it's very neutral. It's like a mix. It's like not super cool and not super warm. This is a nice palette. Wow. Okay. They didn't send me any info. They just sent me the box. But like I said, obviously your products are going to outweigh the value that you pay. I believe I have this one as well that we got in a BOXYCHARM. So some products may end up being repeats. I would be prepared for that if you're a longtime BOXYCHARM subscriber. Yeah, there's another Cover FX glitter drops, but these are in a different shade than the ones that we just got. These are in Lunar. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh, I might die. All right, are you ready for this? Whoa, it literally is blue and then straight up turns purple when you move it in different ways. Okay, that was stunning. Damn, so you could get different colors, different variations of different products. There is an Ebates New York Age-Defying Nail Treatment Cuticle Oil. That I need. I have busted as fuck cuticles. There is a Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Stunner. So some of these are different from shades that I've received, I believe, in the past. But a couple of these products do look familiar though. There's the Cover FX Blurring Primer. There's a Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer and Base. I've never gotten this before. It says Nude. So that's an eyeshadow primer. I'm happy about that. There is a Galactic Skin Glow in the shade Moonlight. I definitely don't think that I have this either. Maybe I do. But Galactic is a nice brand. We've got the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I actually did get that in one of my BOXYCHARMs and I absolutely love it. I wear it every day. The English Laundry number 7. I don't know what this is. It doesn't even say on the box, so let's open it. What is this, a lipstick? What is this? Oh, it's a perfume. Oh my God, I've never got, oh, what am I doing?
Wait, I'm confused. I'm confused. I think mine's broken.
I don't know, I think mine might be, oh, okay. It's just a spray. Oh my God. So there's a perfume. That's really cool. I've never gotten a perfume in a BOXYCHARM before. There is a set of the Luxie brushes, which I love. Again, some of these are repeats though. Then this is the Everlasting Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Sanctuary. So we did get a Kat Von D liquid lipstick a couple months ago, but I got a different shade. This looks like a super nice, cool toned taupey purple. Okay, this I'm excited for. There's a huge Tarte palette. Park Ave Princess. This is huge. A huge Tarte palette. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh! This is beautiful. Oh my God, you guys, the packaging of this is so high quality and nice. This is a face palette. So these different shades you can kind of use for whatever suits you. Highlighters, bronzers. It doesn't really look like you could contour with any of them. But this is a heavy, nice, this is something, to me, I say is a collection edition. Like it's something that looks nice in your collection. Then we got the Ebates High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Let's see. Ebates is the brand that usually does like nail care and stuff. Oh yeah. I gotta make sure I don't have the same color, but I think we've gotten one of those before. And then last but not least, I see a Crown Brushes palette. So we've got a Crown Pro palette. Is this the palette that I have? Let me look. Oh, I found the one that I have. Let's see if it is the same one. I think it is. This is the one I have. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, wait, yeah, it is. Okay. So, yeah, I already have it. So, here's my used one. We did get this in a BOXYCHARM a couple of months ago. That's all the products I have to show you. So, basically, everything you just saw is going to be combined into 3. Well, all right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, actually, so I think they just sent me a bunch of random stuff to kind of show you what could be in the boxes, because I got 17 products and one box has 18, one box has 7, and one has 6, unless they overlap a little bit. So I wouldn't be too concerned about some of the repeats. I would just kind of select whichever box you think floats your boat. But maybe be prepared that there might be a couple of repeats in the box. I'm not really sure. I know that I see a decent amount of repeats right now. It would be unfortunate if they're trying to use their leftover products as holiday boxes. Yeah. But do I look ridiculous? Hopefully I don't look ridiculous. Anyways, I've always loved BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM is one of my favorite things. It's one of my favorite videos to film every single month. So I think it's cool that they're doing holiday boxes. I think it'd be way sicker if it was all new unseen products. That would be way cooler. However, it's a nice start. It's a nice start. I think they're being a little lazy. I think they're trying to get rid of some of their extra shit. Not gonna lie. But it's a nice start, because if next year they do big holiday boxes full of all new stuff, hell yeah, I think they'd get a lot more sales. So I just wanted to unbox everything, kind of tell you what's going on, because I know you guys love BOXYCHARM as well, and you probably want to be, filled in the loop or whatever. And even if you're too worried about the repeats, some of them are different colors, you see, but also you could buy these for gifts. You could buy the 18 product box and you could separate it up for gifts. Anything like that I think would be a really good idea. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I will talk to you guys next time.